But from there, folks, you can add a couple points. You can see all the way down to the Colorado River. That's why some folks like to take it. But one drawback is, it's been taking my passengers anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour to get onto that shuttle bus to go out there. So you're kind of eating up your time waiting for a bus. You know, you pay to come up here to see the Grand Canyon, you have to see a bus stop for 3 hours. But folks, if you choose to go that route, what I recommend is once you come out of the train depot, see a street that passes in front of the train depot, you'll cross that street, you'll see a series of steps and ramps. It goes up to the Alto Bar.
Keep them moving, and that's the joy of living. Well, if they're reading from this prison, if that river brings to mind, then I'd move it on to the Florida down the line. Oh, those residents, that's where I want to stay. Yeah, I let that lonesome whistle hold my blue flag.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I was afraid of this happening. If I'm not mistaken, we're about to be robbed. Alright, outstanding.
Varmints!
Alright, for those of you from the big city like Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, Houston, Los Angeles, Ashford, those are horses. Alright, folks, I do need you to clear the aisles. Clear the aisles, folks. Return to your seats immediately.
Listen up!
At least alive.
Do as you're told, and nobody will get. Well, almost nobody will get hurt. To participate's very simple. You folks get out your folded money, pocket change. Oh, those are nice. I like those. Jewelry, gold teeth. Gold teeth, sir, not old teeth. We come by and take it. So put them paws in the pockets, hands in the handbags, and dig out valuables. Let's start with you. You don't have any. You got a job? How old are you? Get a job, you slacker. Don't laugh, man. That's our Social Security system. Man. That's it. Borrow some from your younger sister there.
Sit down. Sit down. Don't kick me. It's not funny, folks. It hurts.
Are you folks waiting on written instructions or what?
Hey, look at this. We're going to McDonald's. Get your valuables out, folks.
Sometime today, mister. Wasn't on the list, was it? Far more valuable. I don't believe it. You don't have an honest
face. No, I wouldn't. Well, I didn't said I would. I ain't trying
Well, how would you know one if you saw one?
I'm educated. I went through the 6th grade 5 times. No, I graduated. Well, I didn't really graduate. I just married the teacher. What, you think being cute's gonna help you? Huh? Where's your valuables? Get a job. Jeez. I don't want to tell if you go to school. You don't want to.
The horse thieves are here!
They took your money.
All the way in the back.
Now, what do you expect from train robbers? Cake and ice cream? That's what they do, bud. They get on the train, they pull their guns, they take your money. That's what I thought. I heard there was 2 of them.
That way.
Oh, isn't that convenient? They went that way. You know anything about that train robbery that just happened?
Took the dog. Not yours, yes.
Where'd you get $1? You don't even have a job.
¿Qué, mijo?
I wanted to. Just right here.
Go find out.
The rainbow keeps on moving.